The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 27, effective until 5:49 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties. In Florida, Escambia, Santa Rosa. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for the following counties. In Florida, Escambia, Santa Rosa, until 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Jay, moving southeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source, weather radar indicated tornado. Impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Navarre around 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Locations impacted include Jay, Milton, Pace, Point Baker, Rowville, Baghdad, East Milton, Fidelis, Woodlawn Beach, Tiger Point, and Oriole Beach. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Stay tuned to media for more information on this dangerous situation.
We have breaking news right now coming out of Pensacola and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Escambia and Santa Rosa counties. If you are in the area, seek shelter now. Wow, this is very bad.
Joel?
What?
Joel,
What?
there's a new tornado that just launched down near Spring Hill moving east towards Crestview.
Okay, this is getting very bad. A new tornado was spotted touching down, headed east at 90 miles per hour. A new tornado warning has been issued for Okaloosa County, and there are new tornado watches for Alabama. To our Alabama listeners, these counties are Baldwin County, Mobile County, Escambia County, and Covington County. We have a picture of the tornado from the Escambia County Highway Department.
This is so bad.
This is an extremely dangerous
Joel,
situation.
we need to get to the
Move to a
basement
basement
now.
or a room in the
Joel,
middle of your home,
I can hear
away
the fucking
from windows.
tornado. Get in the goddamn...
All clear. Do not leave shelter. Wait for rescue workers to pick you up. I repeat, do not leave shelter. Wait for rescue workers.
All clear. Do not leave shelter. Wait for rescue workers to pick you up. I repeat, do not leave shelter. Wait for rescue workers to pick you up. If you evacuated, do not return home. There is no home to return to. All buildings in Northwest Florida and surrounding areas are destroyed. All clear.